Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to uninstall the MetaTrader 4 app. So let's get started. So here we can see the MetaTrader 4 app. So if you want to uninstall it, you have to follow this simple steps. Just press and hold it here. Then here you have to click on this icon. Okay, it will open the app info. So at here we have to scroll down at the last. Then here we have to click on it here as app detail install. When you will just click on there, it will redirect you to the Google Play Store. So here I can see it. So here I have to click on the uninstall button. So here your phone is asking, do you want to really uninstall this app? You have to click on uninstall and it will be uninstalled. So by this way you can just uninstall your MetaTrader app. And if you want to read this app, you can also do from here. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.